Guess the correct word. Are you ready? Round 1. What's the word that links these four together? Hot. Round 2. What's the word that links these four together? Red. Round 3. What's the word that links these four pictures together? Right. Congratulations. You are such a word genius. Thank you for playing guessing game.